regret to inform you, but there's a 90% chance your baby will have trisomy 21 or Down syndrome. I'm sorry, very sorry. I've already taken the liberty of making you an appointment with the other clinic in town so it can be taken care of. You don't have to worry.
What? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
With the baby, I mean?
Absolutely. Now, you do need to know that there's a 90% chance your baby will have trisomy 21 or Down syndrome. I know this may feel scary. You might have a lot of questions, but I also want you to know that there's an amazing community out there. They're eager to shower you with advice, love, and congratulations.
But I don't know what that...
Listen, don't worry. Here are some brochures, a book. You'll have plenty of time to learn what you need to know. For now, let's just be thankful for this little blessing.
How do you know it's a blessing?
I'd like to introduce you to someone. I'd like you to meet Jay. Come on out here, Jay. Jay is one of our volunteers here.
You want a hug?